Man, you know what? I'm glad that's over with. That contest's gotten away. People that use these things are weird. 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 I don't like it. Got to get back to testing my tiny UNUN, but using a 150 PF cap on the input, a shunt cap to negate some of the reactance. Get back to some beloved CW. Look what I came across. My old paddles from the 90s. It's been a while. I think we'll take a look at those in a video someday. All homebrew, made out of acrylic. I forgot I made the little red paddle finger pieces for it. Which would you prefer? Me? Honestly, getting tired of the MFJ ones, man. They are so inaccurate, it's not funny. After 45 years, you get sensitive fingers to spacing and such. These use 24 karat gold plated contacts. It won't focus, will it? No, won't focus. From a Burdick EKG machine, because I'm a retired biomedical engineer. Anyway, back to the UNUN testing. Good times. 73.